Hello, we appreciate you visiting the PASSIONOY channel. Each video is created in love, driven by passion, and fueled by joy. Your PASSIONOY journey starts now. Welcome, Club VIPs and new viewers. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for yourself might seem like a luxury, but it's actually one of the most essential things you can do for your personal well-being. Taking intentional time for solitude isn't selfish. It's a form of self-care that can unlock new levels of clarity, creativity, and balance in your life. Whether you're looking to deepen your connection with yourself, recharge your energy, or simply gain a fresh perspective, the benefits of embracing alone time are immeasurable. Please remain with us until the video conclusion, where we will reveal an exclusive bonus designed to enhance your personal growth journey. Benefit number 1, mental clarity and focus. In the world of constant distractions, alone time allows your mind to quiet down, giving you the clarity to focus on what matters most. It's during these moments of solitude that you can reflect on your goals, make important decisions, and get a clearer perspective on life's challenges. Benefit number 2, recharging your emotional batteries. We often spend our energy attending to others, but without proper self-care, we can easily burn out. Alone time offers a unique opportunity to recharge your emotional batteries and renew your sense of calm and inner peace. Benefit number 3, boosting creativity. Some of the greatest ideas are born in solitude. When you're alone, free from outside opinions or expectations, your mind has the space to wander and dream. Use this time to explore your creativity, whether it's through journaling, drawing, or brainstorming new ideas for your passion projects. Benefit number 4, deepening self-understanding. Alone time allows you to tune into your inner voice and gain a deeper understanding of your emotions, needs, and desires. It's a chance to reflect on who you are and who you want to become, helping you live a more authentic and aligned life. Benefit number 5, enhanced problem-solving skills. When you're not distracted by the noise of daily life, you can think more clearly and approach problems with a fresh perspective. Solitude provides the mental space needed to work through challenges and find solutions that may have eluded you before. Benefit number 6, strengthening independence. Learning to enjoy your own company fosters independence and self-reliance. You begin to trust yourself more, knowing that you can handle situations on your own without needing constant external validation or support. As the creator behind PASSIONOY, the time I spend in solitude while making these videos is one of the most rewarding parts of my week. It's during these quiet moments, just me and my thoughts, that I can focus fully on crafting content that I hope will resonate with each of you. My alone time allows me to clear my mind of distractions, set my intentions, and create with purpose. It's like stepping into a space where the outside world fades, and I can be fully present with the work I'm passionate about. Each time I sit down to make a video, I'm not just producing content, I'm also taking the time to recharge, reflect, and immerse myself in something positive and mindful. For me, creating these videos is not just about posting videos. It's about embracing solitude to bring out my best ideas and deliver them to you. And the benefits of alone time that we'll discuss in this video, they've played a huge role in helping me stay centered, productive, and energized throughout this journey. So, as you think about how solitude can benefit your life, know that it's a key ingredient in everything I do here at PASSIONOY. I want to thank all the viewers, especially my club VIPs, for taking the time to listen to my personal story and continue to the end of the video. Let's continue together on this journey to living our best life now. Benefit number 7. Improved relationships with others. It may sound counterintuitive, but alone time can actually improve your relationships. When you take time to understand your own needs and emotions, you're better equipped to connect with others from a place of balance and emotional stability. Benefit number 8, increase productivity. Solitude eliminates distractions, making it easier to focus on tasks and complete them efficiently. Whether it's a work project, personal goal, or creative endeavor, the quietness of alone time can supercharge your productivity. Benefit number 9, emotional healing. Alone time offers the space to process your emotions and heal from past hurts. It allows you to sit with your feelings, understand them, and eventually let go of what no longer serves you, leading to emotional freedom and growth. Benefit number 10, rediscovering joy. In simple things, solitude gives you the chance to slow down and appreciate the little things in life. Whether it's enjoying a cup of coffee in peace, going for a walk in nature, or reading a good book, these moments of quiet joy can bring a deep sense of contentment. Benefit number 11, mindfulness and presence. In a world of constant distractions, alone time encourages mindfulness. It's a practice of being fully present with yourself, noticing your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings, and cultivating a deeper sense of inner peace. Benefit number 12, empowering self-care. Ultimately, alone time is an act of self-love. It's a declaration that your well-being matters. And by prioritizing solitude, you're making space for personal growth, emotional healing, and long-term happiness. There you have it, Club VIPs. 12 powerful benefits of embracing alone time. Remember, solitude isn't about isolating yourself from the world. It's about reconnecting with yourself so you can show up as the best version of you in every area of life. Take some time this week to schedule your me time and enjoy the peace and growth that comes from embracing solitude. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to spend alone time? How has solitude positively impacted your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep living with passion, joy, and purpose. For those of you looking to go deeper into the practice of embracing solitude, I've created a free PDF guide filled with activities and reflection prompts to help you make the most of your alone time. Send me an email and I'll send you your copy. Congratulations, you're one step closer to a better you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. This helps us continue to make complimentary videos. And please share the video to help others live their best life. We look forward to reading your comments and responding. My purpose in life is to help others. God's love for us is our why at the PASSIONOY channel. Let's continue daily on a passion and joy-filled journey together, living our best lives. Join us today and become a Club PASSIONOY VIP, someone living their life driven by passion and fueled by joy, with hopes to help you live your best life now, the PASSIONOY life. Thank you for watching our video. Please check out all that our channel has to offer. From videos, shorts, our community tab, and our email newsletter subscription and blog links, simply because we care about you.